Hi everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to join a Google Classroom and upload the assignment to your Google Classroom. First, open Google Chrome, the browser, and type Join Google Classroom with code. Open the first link that appears to join Google Classroom. For this, you need to have an active Gmail account. If you do not have one, kindly create it. Next, go to your school portal where I have already shared the code for joining the Google Classroom. You will find it in your diary note and also in your lesson tab. Once you have the code, return to the Google Classroom page. Click the plus sign in the top right corner that says Join Class. Enter the code there, and you will be added to the respective ICT class. After that, go to the Assignment tab where I have given you the assignment for practicals to upload. Click the Add or Create button. Browse for your file from your desktop or folder and click to add. Once the uploading is done, don't forget to click the Turn in or Hand in option. This is a must to submit, otherwise, your assignment will not appear as submitted on my end. Now, you're done submitting your assignment. Wait for me to comment and grade your work. Thank you.